Investing $100 weekly for $2,500 monthly dividends. Imagine this. You're asleep, enjoying your dreams, and while you rest, money is quietly flowing into your account. No stress, no extra effort, just pure passive income. Sounds too good to be true? Well, that's the power of dividends. Welcome back to Dividend Drift, where we break down investing strategies to help you achieve financial freedom. Today, we're tackling a common question. How long would it take to invest $100 weekly in a high-yield dividend king to generate $2,500 in monthly passive income? Stick around because we'll also compare this with other dividend kings to see which ones might suit your strategy best. Let's dive in. Understanding the goal. Our target here is simple: $2,500 per month or $30,000 per year in dividends. We'll be focusing on dividend kings, those elite stocks with 50-plus years of consecutive dividend increases with varying dividend yields. Let's break it down. If you want $30,000 annually and you're investing in a stock with a 7.8% yield, the formula is pretty straightforward. That means you'll need approximately $384,615 invested to hit that passive income goal with a 7.8% yield. Investment plan: $100 weekly. Now, if you're investing $100 per week, that amounts to $5,200 per year. Factoring in an annual return, let's look at how long it takes to reach our goal. Year-by-year illustration. 1 year. Contributions: $5,200 dividends, earned $405. Total portfolio value: $5,605. 2 years. Contributions: $10,400. Dividends earned $1,157. Total portfolio value $11,557. 3 years. Contributions: $15,600. Dividends earned $2,048. Total portfolio value $17,648. 5 years. Contributions: $26,000. Dividends earned $5,400. Total portfolio value $31,400. 10 years. Contributions $52,000. Dividends earned $17,800. Total portfolio value $69,800. 15 years. Contributions $78,000. Dividends earned $39,400. Total portfolio value $117,400. 20 years. Contributions $104,000. Dividends earned $71,900. Total portfolio value $175,900. 30 years. Contributions $156,000. Dividends earned $190,000. Total portfolio value $346,000. 35 years. Contributions $182,000. Dividends earned $290,000. Total portfolio value $472,000. As you can see, with compound growth, it would take approximately 28 years to reach your $2,500 monthly passive income goal if reinvesting dividends along the way. Comparison with other dividend kings. Let's compare a few popular dividend kings with different yields to see how they stack up. Stock: Altria Group. Ticker symbol MO. Dividend yield 7.8% years, needed with $100 per week, 28 years. Stock: Procter & Gamble. Ticker symbol PG. Dividend yield 2.5% years, needed with $100 per week, 50 years. Stock: Johnson & Johnson. Ticker symbol JNJ. Dividend yield 3.3% years, needed with $100 per week, 45 years. Stock: Coca-Cola. Ticker symbol KO. Dividend yield 3.1% years, needed with $100 per week, 48 years. Higher yields can get you there faster, but remember, higher yield stocks can sometimes come with more risk. Diversification is key. So what did we learn today? Investing $100 per week consistently in a 7.8% yielding dividend king, like Altria Group, will take around 28 years to achieve your goal of $2,500 monthly passive income. However, choosing stocks with a lower but safer yield might mean adjusting your time horizon or investing more each week. The key takeaway? Investing consistently, reinvesting dividends, and staying patient is how you build wealth over time. If you found this helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more investing insights. Until next time, stay invested and keep chasing those dividends.